Seth Rollins' shocking WWE exit, and Liv Morgan's heartbreaking loss. There's some truly shocking news to report following the special Raw on Netflix premiere this past Monday. It appears as though an absolutely massive storyline twist has emerged from the main event between Seth Rollins and CM Punk, a match in which the Cult of Personality walked out victorious. And now, breaking reports reveal that Seth Rollins has storyline quit WWE following his devastating loss to CM Punk. The Seth Rollins vs. CM Punk rivalry, a battle of real-life animosity. Heading into this monumental clash, the bad blood between Seth Rollins and CM Punk was at an all-time high. Ever since CM Punk returned to WWE 2 years ago at Survivor Series War Games, Rollins has been Punk's most vocal critic, openly opposing Punk's comeback to WWE. In fact, Seth's reaction to Punk's return at War Games went viral, highlighting just how personal this feud had become. For the past 2 years, wrestling fans have been clamoring for a match between these two superstars. Their real-life animosity only added to the intrigue. While many expected this clash to headline WrestleMania 41, WWE shocked fans by delivering this dream match on the Raw Netflix premiere. Despite there being no title or championship opportunity at stake, the stakes were incredibly high due to the sheer hatred these two men have for each other. CM Punk's victory, a career-defining moment. After what can only be described as a fantastic match between these massive stars, CM Punk emerged victorious. This win is arguably one of the most important since his WWE return at Survivor Series. For Punk, this victory not only closes the chapter on his feud with Seth Rollins, but also propels him into WrestleMania season with significant momentum. Punk has already made it clear that he intends to win the 2025 Royal Rumble, solidifying his path to WrestleMania 41. Seth Rollins' storyline. Quits WWE, the breaking point. On the other hand, Seth Rollins has seemingly reached his breaking point. Losing to CM Punk was not just a personal defeat, but also a professional disaster. Rollins, who called Punk a toxic outsider and a disease on Raw, now finds himself at a crossroads. According to new backstage rumors, Seth Rollins is storyline quitting WWE out of frustration and anger. This shocking development stems from the fact that Rollins believes his loss to Punk has cost him a major spot at WrestleMania 41. With John Cena now the odds-on favorite to win the Men's Royal Rumble match, and Punk potentially facing Gunther for the World Heavyweight Championship, Rollins is left without a clear path to a top match at WrestleMania. To make matters worse, a rumored feud with Roman Reigns isn't happening, as Reigns is reportedly set to face The Rock in a match being billed as the final boss of the Bloodline saga. The fallout of Rollins' exit. What's next? The storyline reportedly sees Seth Rollins announcing his departure from WWE, blaming himself for failing the locker room and losing to CM Punk. However, this is far from the end for Rollins. Behind the scenes, WWE has major plans for him. Rollins is expected to return just before WrestleMania 41 in a storyline where he regains his confidence and vows to redeem himself. WWE sources indicate that Rollins will return reinvigorated, determined to reclaim his spot at the top of the Raw roster. While his WrestleMania future remains uncertain, fans can expect a big payoff for this storyline twist, with Seth Rollins likely involved in a marquee match at the Showcase of the Immortals. Liv Morgan loses women's title, and Dominic Mysterio breakup looms. While Seth Rollins' shocking exit dominated headlines, the Women's World Championship match on the Raw Netflix premiere also delivered massive implications. Defending champion Liv Morgan faced Rhea Ripley in what many fans hoped would be the final chapter of their months-long feud. Unfortunately for Liv, her reign as Women's World Champion came to an end. Rhea Ripley defied the odds and walked out of the Netflix era as the new champion. This loss was devastating for Liv Morgan, but according to leaked backstage rumors, things are about to get even worse for her. Dominic Mysterio and Liv Morgan, the end of an on-screen romance. Reports suggest that WWE is planning to break up the on-screen relationship between Liv Morgan and Dominic Mysterio. The seeds for this breakup were planted during the Raw Netflix premiere. Moments after Rhea Ripley's title win, Dominic Mysterio was seen showing signs of betrayal, seemingly wanting to rekindle his alliance with the newly crowned champion. Although Rhea shut him down, this hasn't stopped Dominic from reportedly considering parting ways with Liv Morgan. This storyline development fits with WWE's attempt to position Dominic Mysterio as the modern-day Eddie Guerrero, a manipulative and untrustworthy character. Liv's future in WWE, what's next for the former champion? If the rumors are true, Liv Morgan's emotional heartbreak will lead to a major shift in her WWE career. Following her breakup with Dominic, Liv is expected to transition into the tag team division alongside Raquel Rodriguez. While this marks a step down from the Women's World Championship picture, it provides Liv an opportunity to rebuild her momentum. As for Dominic Mysterio, WWE reportedly plans for him to pursue a new storyline involving Tiffany Stratton, the WWE Women's Champion on SmackDown. This betrayal storyline will only add to Dominic's heel persona, solidifying him as one of the most despised characters in WWE. WrestleMania 41, setting the stage for epic showdowns. As we look ahead to WrestleMania 41, the fallout from the Raw Netflix premiere has set the stage for several blockbuster storylines. Here's what we know so far. CM Punk's path to glory. CM Punk is riding a wave of momentum after his victory over Seth Rollins. With his sights set on the 2025 Royal Rumble, Punk is determined to secure his spot in the WrestleMania main event. John Cena's quest for redemption. John Cena's passionate promo on the Netflix debut has made him the odds-on favorite to win the men's Royal Rumble match. A showdown between Cena and Cody Rhodes for the undisputed championship seems inevitable. Roman Reigns versus The Rock. The rumored match between Roman Reigns and The Rock is expected to be the culmination of the Bloodline saga. This clash of titans will undoubtedly be one of the highlights of WrestleMania 41. Seth Rollins' redemption arc. Although Seth Rollins has storyline quit WWE, his eventual return is expected to be a pivotal moment leading into WrestleMania. Fans can anticipate a reinvigorated Rollins looking to reclaim his place among WWE's elite. Fan reactions. What's your take? The developments from the Raw Netflix premiere have left the WWE Universe buzzing with speculation. Do you think Seth Rollins' storyline exit is the right move, or should WWE have taken a different approach? And what are your thoughts on the breakup of Dominic Mysterio and Liv Morgan? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss an update from WWE Insider Report.
Stepping in the spotlight, midnight thunder down my spine. Heartbeats crash, collide, lost control, no time. Fire burns so fast.